Insert blocking between the studs. The blocking must be strong enough to support the full weight of the system. Install the drywall. Trace the profile of the perfect fit by laying it on the drywall. Remove the traced out profile. Thin and cut drywall around the flanges. Insert the perfect fit into the cavity. Drill holes through the tracks and insert fasteners. Fasteners must be long enough to penetrate through the blocking. Apply mud to the flanges. Insert the bracket and lock to the track. Align fasteners with the brackets. Install the drapery track into the perfect fit cavity.